Hello and welcome to IBPS Winners. In today's video, we are going to discuss about famous lady IAS officers of India. Female officers are quite inspiring in a country like India, जहां लड़कियों को काफ़ी restrictions face करने पड़ते हैं. IAS ऑफिसर्स को काफ़ी रेस्पेक्ट दी जाती है इंडियन सोसाइटी में. उनका जो सोशल रेपो है वो काफ़ी अच्छा होता है. तो ऐसे में अगर कोई लड़की IAS पोजीशन तक पहुंचती है तो ये काफ़ी सोसाइटी में रेस्पेक्टेड माना जाता है. तो आज हम उन फीमेल ऑफिसर्स की बात करने वाले हैं जो IAS में काफ़ी अच्छा नाम कमा चुकी हैं. इस लिस्ट में पहला नाम जो मैं लेना चाहूँगी वो है टीना डाबी का. टीना डाबी is a Delhi girl who topped the civil services exam in 2015. She topped the exam in very first attempt. तो उनके बारे में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कैंडिडेट्स और सिविल सर्विस एस्पिरेंट जानना चाहते हैं. So she has a bag of achievements, out of which few we are going to discuss here. She was the first SC woman who topped the civil services examination. Although she belongs to a very good background, but she belongs to the SC category and she has taken the advantage of being SC, like the reservation that is available to the SC candidates in the preliminary examinations. But in the main examinations, she scored highest and she became the topper of UPSC 2015. Currently, she is posted in Ajmer, Rajasthan. After her IAS training at Dehradun, she was posted to Ajmer, Rajasthan. Although her preference was to be posted in Haryana, but she was allotted the cadre Rajasthan. As I said earlier, she belongs to Delhi, so she had her IAS coaching in Delhi as well. She is a student of political science and she topped her college in political science as well in her bachelor's degree. Tina Dabi is quite famous because she is active on social media. She likes to share her opinion and her views on several topics on social media, and she also likes to help civil service aspirants on social media. She is an inspiration to all the female candidates and male candidates as well because she topped the exam when she was only 22 years old. तो अगर आपकी एज कम है और आप ऐसा सोचते हैं कि आप UPSC एग्ज़ाम को क्रैक कर सकते हैं तो आप क्रैक ही नहीं कर सकते हैं बल्कि उस एग्ज़ाम को टॉप भी कर सकते हैं. सो शी इज़ अ रोल मॉडल फॉर यू. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, द नंबर 2 in our list is Smita Sabharwal. Like Tina Dabi, she is not that famous, but Smita Sabharwal is a name in IAS officers. She is quite known name among them. She is currently posted in Telangana and she is the first lady IAS in Telangana who is being posted in the CM office, the Chief Minister office. As the Municipal Commissioner of Warangal, she started a project called Fund Your City, which was quite successful. She is one of the most loved IAS. It may be because of her good looks or maybe because of her good work that pays off. This young woman is from Darjeeling, basically, and she has been posted to Telangana state right now. She also cracked the UPSC exam in her first attempt. Talking about the courageous minds who serve as IAS in India, we cannot forget the name of Durga Shakti Nagpal. दुर्गा शक्ति नामपाल का जो नाम है वो ही काफ़ी है इलीगल लोगों में खौफ लाने के लिए. हर नेम justifies her courage and her higher values. She is one of the brave-heart IAS officers in India. She is known for her work against sand and land mafias. If you don't know about her much, you should visit her Wikipedia page जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है so that आप जान सके कि how great she is. Initially, she was posted in Punjab at the Mohali district where she exposed a land scam, after which she was transferred to Uttar Pradesh. She moved to Uttar Pradesh. She came into public notice after acting against the sand mafia in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, by forming a special investigation team to stop the illegal sand mining in Yamuna and Hindon River. Her campaign against illegal mining was very successful in UP. Owing to her courageous behavior, उन्हें काफ़ी सारी धमकियाँ और threats भी मिलते हैं illegal mining करने वालों की तरफ से, but she never stopped. This intelligent woman also bagged 20th rank in 2009 UPSC exam. The country like India needs more IAS like her. अगर आप इस तस्वीर को ध्यान से देखेंगे तो आप सोचेंगे कि इन महिला को आपने कहीं ना कहीं जरूर देखा है। जी हाँ, ये बी चंद्रकला है जो काफ़ी बार न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे आपको दिखाई देती हैं ड्यू टू हर सडन इंस्पेक्शंस दैट शी हेल्ड इन हर एरिया। शी इज़ एन IAS ऑफिसर. She belongs to Andhra Pradesh basically, and she has been appointed as director of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan recently in UP, which is her cadre. She is well known for publicly pulling up officials and also contractors for the poor construction of roads. Lately, she has been criticized for not declaring her assets. Her net worth is 1 crore rupees. The next and the last name in our list is Ira Singhal. Ira Singhal is the first woman candidate who is physically handicapped, and she topped the IAS examination in 2014. She is a role model for all those जो सोचते हैं कि physically handicapped होना किसी तरीके से आपके करियर में बाधा बन सकता है. So that's it from me, and I would like to know who is your favorite IAS officer. Please comment below so that I can know about your favorite IAS officer and others as well.